Hello everyone, I am Ritika Juzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So the course of Information Technology Elective 4, which is based on a computer vision. So computer vision contain total 6 units. So in this video we started our unit 1. So unit 1 is based on the fundamentals of digital image processing. So in today's lecture we discuss about what is a computer vision and what are the different applications used in a computer vision. So this is a simple overview of unit 1. So in unit 1 we discuss about different image processing techniques, then classical filtering operations, thresholding techniques, edge detection techniques, corner and interest point detection, mathematical morphology, and last one is textures. So before starting the digital image processing, first we discuss about what is meant by computer vision and its application. So computer vision is abbreviated as CV. So it is defined as a field of study that seeks to develop the techniques to help computers see. So and understand the content of digital images such as photographs and videos. So this computer vision is a field of study focused on the problem of helping computers to see. So the problem of computer vision appears simple because it is solved by people. So even very young children, it largely remains an unsolved problems based both on the limited understanding of biological vision and because of this complexity of vision perception in a dynamic and nearly infinitely varying physical world. So the goal of the computer vision is to understand the content of digital images and to extract the useful information from images. So the typically this involves developing methods that attempts to reproduces the capability of a human vision. The next is understanding the content of digital images may involve extracting a description from the image, which may be an object, a text description, or a three-dimensional model. The next part is a computer vision and image processing. So the computer vision is a distinct from an image processing. So what is mean by image processing? The image processing is the process of creating a new image from an existing images. So typically image processing is a simplifying or enhancing the content of or a content in some way. So it is a type of digital signal processing and it is not concerned with understanding the content of an image. So the given computer vision system may require image processing to be applied to raw input. So raw input means the example is pre-processing images. For the computer vision, we require some raw input which is called as a pre-processing images. So what are the examples of image processing? Normalizing the photometric properties of the image such as brightness or a color. Then next is the cropping the bounds of the image such as centering an object in a photograph. And the last one is removing digital noise from an image such as digital artifacts from low light levels. So what are the challenges of computer vision? Helping computers to see turns out to be very hard. So the goal of the computer vision is to extract the useful information from images. The next part is the applications of computer vision. So there are different real-time applications used in the computer vision like optical character recognition, machine inspection, retailer, automotive safety, medical imaging, motion capture, surveillances, fingerprint recognition or biometric stitching and so on. So there are different applications used in a computer vision. So let us discuss one by one. So the first is the optical character recognition, that is OCR. So this is used for reading the handwritten postal codes on a letters and automatic numbers plate recognition, that is ANPR. The second application is a machine inspection. So this is a rapid parts inception for a quality assurance using the stereo vision with a specialized illumination to measure the tolerances on aircraft wings or auto body parts, or looking for defects in a steel casting using X-ray vision. Then third application is a retail. So object recognition for automated checkout lanes. Then fourth application is the automotive safety. So, so this automotive safety is used for detecting unexpected obstacles such as pedestrians on the street under conditions where the active vision techniques such as radar or lidar do not work well. Then fifth application is a surveillances. So the monitoring for the intruders, analyzing highway traffic and monitoring pools for drawing victims. Then sixth application is the fingerprint recognition and biometrics. So this is used for automatic access authentication purpose as well as forensic applications. The next application is the 3D model building, medical imaging. Then next is the match move. So this match move is used for merging the computer generated imagery, that is CGI, with a live action footage by tracking the features point in the source video to estimate the 3D camera motion and shape of the environment. Such techniques are widely used in Hollywood. Next is a motion capture. So by using, or we can say that mocap, so by using this motion capture, retro reflective markers viewed from multiple cameras or other vision based techniques to capture actors for a computer animation. The next application is the stitching, turning the overlapping photos into a single seamlessly stitched panorama. So panorama is also the application of computer vision. Next is the exposure bracketing, merging the multiple exposures taken under the challenging lighting conditions into a single perfectly exposed image. Next application is a morphing. So this morphing is used for turning a picture of one of your friends into the another using a seamless morpho transition. The next application is 3D modeling. So 3D modeling is converting one or more snapshot into a 3D model of the object or person you are photographing. Next application is video match move and stabilization. So this is used for inserting 2D pictures or a 3D models into your videos by automatically tracking nearby reference points or using the motion estimates to remove shake from your videos. The next application is photo-based walkthroughs, navigating a large collection of photographs such as the interior of your house by flying between different photos in a 3D. Then next application is face detection for improved camera focusing as well as more relevant image searching. And the last application is visual authentication. So this visual authentication is used for automatically logging family members onto your home computer as they sit down in front of the webcam. Okay, so these are the different applications of computer vision. Thank you.